Welcome everyone to a new video. In this video, we'll see how to make a number guessing game using Python. The first step is opening your text editor. I'm using PyCharm. It's really good for Python. Now let's start. First, write import random. It will import the random library to be used in this file. Now let's define a variable called number equals random dot rand int, and now we want that integer to be between 1 and 100. While true, we want it to keep running until the person guesses the number. Okay, don't forget the colon. Now let's define another variable called guess. Guess equals int input, so we're going to get an input from the user. Put the quotation marks, write whatever question. I'm going to write guess a number between 1 and 100. Put a space, and now let's write an if statement. If guess is less than the number, print too low. Alif is a short form for else if. Guess greater than number, print too high. And now else. If we got to the else part, that means that our guess is exactly equals to the number. And there's something else I forgot to say. This int makes whatever the user enters an integer. So we couldn't enter this if statement without the user entering an integer. Okay, else print congrats, you guessed the number. And now we want to go out of the loop because the user guessed the number. So we'll just write break. And now let's run it. See how it works. Guess a number between 1 and 100. Let's say 45. Too low. So you want to guess a number that's higher. Let's try 60. Too low also. Let's try 80. Too high. So it's a number between 60 and 80. Let's try 70. Too high. It's between 60 and 70. Let's try 65. 62. 61. Congrats, you guessed the number. So our number is 61. And that was our video for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment for a suggestion for further videos.